up, my beautiful people? This is your boy Shatta Official, and welcome to this episode of What's Trending. Mr. Reno, first time I share video, when I also click subscribe button, I click bell, so I can say there a drop of video, and then you will be the first person. Once I make a video, and I show him say channel where bring up trending news across our Ghana and beyond. Yeah, can I say the I'm what I see at team. And to make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Right now, this is what is trending, so let's go and watch it.
I swear. I really hard. When we talk about last year, and I'm talking to a man. Last year, and I'm doing who was down there.
I don't try,
Why don't try? Why don't try? See, I know they like Mama Tao. Oh yeah. Okay, bad. I thought about since last year, and I'm going okay, from one. I like one. 19 weeks, I will play
the 5 hours drive, you never go for one can use the 5 hours. I get my band to one.
I swear. You get band to one?
I get in your. I'm sure. Besides,
I mean, the first I reach here, no way tell me my shoe size. I saw. So, 42. Like,
not the Trump, yeah.
Who are who are kind of size? Oh, more. Where to go? I can't remember the wait, 32. You know, when you get to 32, if you stress by, you will feel where there's
shit, I love it.
Ambassador shop is your papa there.
No, I like it. There you go.
My team.
I swear. So wait, what's it?
Aye.
Kind of think about way. Bike it to a boy. When right there, man.
Oh yeah.
Right there. If we deal by it,
oh yeah. And the one the last take one. It was a trip to try to send away the one
okay.
Now, since I'm from last take, no, I can see. Eddie, number one beauty about okay, Mammy, Mammy, you bank shoes like
you know, when I wear things like this on stage, I feel confident. Like,
yeah. See, like, see. Allora, mi dice ieri che c'è l'altra scappa e nuovo di quello che abbiamo preso ieri che sta
Mr. Romanu, I didn't change this trending news, make sure you subscribe to your YouTube channel and click the bell so I can see the drop of video, but then you will be the first person now. Once I make a video, I go by the name Shatta Official, and I'm out.